Welcome. I am Eric with Mother.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So we are seeing a 2-day market move, especially off the lows of Thursday. So essentially market are trading towards the highs of the session for this Friday. I wanted to give you a quick update and explain to you what I'm seeing and how you can use that and consider what my observations are from a visual perspective. And I'll also mention the cryptos briefly also. As you can see, Bitcoin trading at 39,327. All right, let's go. So I'm going to begin with the 4-hourly chart for the cryptos. And let me zoom in a little bit. You can see on the 4-hourly, as of right now, there is this slight emerging reversal. Now, remember, all these things are playing out, so nothing is stopping this from continuing to move higher, turning around and moving the RSI higher. What I am highlighting is that we are starting to see a little bit of a move, suggesting that this could be the beginning of the RSI and prices turning down in the short term. Why would it happen around there? Actually, this is the inspiration for this video. If I go back here and consider where we pull back in the cryptos. So let's see, we come from this area here. And of course, I'm using my uniformity method. Pull back area here. And we can see that we can take that area, extend that, what I call a uniformity line. Should be something like that. I can even draw it that way. At any rate, you can see that we had some struggles here for the cryptos. Oh, by the way, this is the total crypto market. Total crypto market cap for the crypto market. And we can see here, I'm starting to see signs of a potential resistance around there. We can also adjust this ever so slightly by taking this breakpoint here. Now that black line is where we pull back here, which by the way was not a trivial issue because we ultimately saw the market from this area pull back to where the lows of the week. So I would say this is also another area to watch in the here and now. Now, if we take a look at the S&P 500,